Hello everyone and welcome to the IECHO showroom. Today I'm introducing the IECHO PK Basic Series, our entry-level, highly cost-effective intelligent cutting system designed specifically for the small print shops, startup studios and small format businesses. The PK Basic Series come in two standard working areas, PK0604, 600mm for 400mm, PK0705, 750mm for 530mm, with a minimum size of just 2350mm by 900mm. It's fully integrated, lightweight design requires no industrial facility. It fits perfectly in retail stores, office buildings and small studios. Delivering a cutting precision of around 0.1mm, it handles a standard maximum cutting thickness of 2mm, which expands to 6mm with an oscillating knife. It smoothly processes common materials like vehicle wraps, cardstock and thin corrugated cardboard. Occupied with the vacuum suction automatic feeding system, it supports through cutting, kiss cutting, creasing and drawing. It is fully compatible with mainstream formats like PLT, DXF, PDF and AI. For continuous manufacturing, you can upgrade it with the automated feeding and collection units to achieve efficient, unmanned production. With its small footprint, low upfront cost, and easy maintenance, the IECHO PK Basic Series is premier choice for small business entering the market. Thank you all for watching and see you the next time.